In this video I'm going to show you how to create a graph in Google Sheets. So it is very easy. We need some data of course to enter into the graph. Now once you have entered the data into your Google Sheet, then we can start using a graph. As you can see, we have entered some products with the quantity of the products and we would like to display them in the graph. Now what you will do is basically go to Insert and then go to Chart, and once you have done this, then you will see that we automatically add a pie chart. Now you can drag it along over the sheet where you want to place it, but there are different options for charts. So what we can do, we can also select a other type. We can select the bar chart, for example. As you can see, now the products are displayed over here and the amount, the quantity is displayed over here. So that is very easy to add a chart into your Google Sheet. Now if you would like to customize it, then you can click on customize. You can select the chart style, you can change the colors of the chart, but you can also change the axis of the chart. For example, you can change the chart style. Let's say you would like to use this as pieces. So now if we change this text, then you will see that the text will change into pieces. And this is basically how you create a chart or a graph in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!